Hi, I just picked up this Apple IIc computer. I haven't seen one of these boot for many years. It came with the color monitor. I had an Apple IIe when I was younger, and we did not have the luxury of having a color monitor. We only had the green one. The green one had a power switch up on the top, I believe it was. This one, the power switch is on the side. And it also came with the, I believe that's the Image Writer 2. I think mine actually said it up here. I believe this one is the Image Writer 2. I'll look at that in a minute. I don't have the interface cable for that though. That wasn't in the box. And then, let's see what discs we have here. AppleWorks startup disk. Multi-scribe. AppleWorks program disk. Games, Darts, Lemonade Stand, Supermath, Don't Fall. I don't really remember those. And Multi-scribe side 2. So, like I said, it's been many years since I've used one of these. So let's see. I'll put in this AppleWorks startup disk. And get that power button for the monitor. And the power should be right back here. Listen for that sound. $1984. Look at that, booting right up. Place the AppleWorks program disk in. So let's do that. That was right here. And press return. The date must be 1983 or later. Okay, so we have to put in today's date, which is 03. Today's the 28th. 28. And you have to put the / in manually. It's not like new computers where it'll automatically do it for you. Now, 17, it might think we're in 1917. I don't know. Look at that. Yep. Doesn't let you go past 1999. So we're just going to say it's, I'm going to put the actual month and day in just to see if it holds. Alright, so 3/28/99. This disc might be bad. Let's put one of these games discs in and see. I'm not sure if that'll boot by itself. Yeah, I guess it will. I don't really remember. It's been a long time. But I'll never forget that sound. Look at that. 1979. That's when I was born. Please select a program. Let's do darts. Uh-oh. IO error. Catalog. No. Or was it directory? I don't remember. No, that's Windows. Oop, delete doesn't even give you anything. Yeah, it was catalog. Darn. How do you go back? Oh well. I was trying to do some basic here. If it'll let me. Is go to one word or is that two words? I don't remember. I'm going to try this again. This came with the monitor stand as well to boost it up off the desktop a little bit, so you can put the computer right up to it. On the old Apple IIe, the monitor would sit directly on the computer. Let's see, Lemonade. I'm not familiar with that. Let's see if that'll load. Yeah, Lemonade stand. Okay. Hi, welcome to Lemonsville, California. In this small town, you are in charge of running your own lemonade stand. You can compete with as many other people as you wish, but how much profit you make is up to you. The other stand sales will not affect your business in any way. If you make the most money, you are the winner. Are you starting a new game? Yes. How many people will be playing? Just me. Blah, 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 blah. Press space to continue. Press space to continue. There we go. There's color. I think this button here, yeah, I originally had it in black and white mode, but we have color mode. Okay, on day one, the cost of lemonade is 2 cents. I should get my kids to do this. How many glasses of lemonade do you wish to make? We have $2. Let's just make one for everybody in my family. 4. How many advertising signs each do you want to make? That's pretty cool. Let's just make 1. What price in cents do you wish to charge for lemonade? The cost is 2 cents, so let's just let's make it a nickel. Although, do I have to write it? Oh, how do you go back? I thought there was a backspace or something. I forget how to do that. Alright, well, hey, it looks like we're getting a little lesson in accounting here, so, hey, basically, that's the Apple IIc. Just to kind of show you how it was back then. Maybe I'll pop another one of these games on really quick. Look at that. That was always funny, too. If you turn it back on after turning it off too fast, you get some gibberish. So you got to turn it off, wait a couple seconds for that, there we go. You gotta let that RAM clear out. It came with a mouse too. There we go, we got color there. Don't Fall. I don't know what that is, number 4. Don't fall. $1978. Alright, well, yeah, a lot of times games were written in BASIC or other forms of programming language, so a lot of the games and things were text-based back then rather than the GUI, graphical user interface type games that we have now. As the 80s went on and games became a little more higher tech, I guess you could say, there were games that were graphic intensive but not too intense. They could only push so much out of these machines. But there were some cool games back then. I liked Ski Crazed was one of them, and Winter Games. I liked all the like skiing type games, and Winter Games was probably one of my favorites. There was a wrestling game I used to play too, Bop and Wrestle, I believe it was called. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This video probably bored a lot of people to death, but it was almost 12 minutes long, over 12 minutes. So that's it for the Apple IIc. This is going to be going on eBay shortly, and that's about it. Thanks a lot.